Open your web browser and paste the URL there, or simply just click on the link. You will be redirected to a page. Scroll down and here you will get the option where you need to click on Verify, like this. After clicking on Verify, another page will open where you need to scroll down and verify that you are not a robot, like this. Check the box "I am not a robot" and scroll down. Look for small blue Continue button, like this. Click on it. At this moment, few pop-ups or advertisements might open up. Simply just close these pop-up pages. Then you need to wait for some seconds where a timer will count down. Once the timer reaches 0, simply scroll down and check for a small Get Link option like this. Click on it and you will get the file ready to be downloaded. Check the right-hand corner on the top. You will get a drop-down sign. Click on it and you will get the option to save the file to your desired path on your device.